Right now we're up on top of the big wave pool, the main item in the park. This is where the tidal wave comes out right here. Tilly's up on the hill. You can see her over there. But I thought I lost my GoPro before. Holy moly. Had a heart attack in the water there. This is an awesome, awesome pool. You can come out right now and it's just a big wave, and every so often, I think it's every 30 minutes, they change it over from the waves, the tidal wave, to this type of little wave there. Just so kids can go out and you don't have the tidal wave constantly hitting them. And if you look way in the distance there, right in front of the camera, you got the Prussian Gusher. Yep. And then there's Singapore swells. I look like that other ride for a second. And the rain looks like it's getting ready to die down, so we're gonna head out from here in a second. I'll just get a little bit more footage of this for you guys so you can get an idea of what it's like here. I'll try to get some other footage on the other side. We'll see you in a few. And this here is the wave pool. If you guys aren't familiar with it, this is the big attraction here at Typhoon Lagoon. Get this over here. Strong waves may occur. You can stay back here with Daddy, okay? What do you think, Marley? You like it? Maybe we can get Mama to come back here. Okay, let's see if you say hi? You say hi? There you go. And there's Morgan. Believe it or not, he's wearing a bathing suit and a shirt, not one of the old 1920s bathing suits. Looks like one of the old one-piecers from back in the day. Back in the old Chitty Chitty Bang Bang days, bud. Here comes the tidal wave. And Marley wants no part of that. Let's see Marley. She's done with that. And here it comes. That's the tidal wave. No! And they swap that out it's like every half hour they go from this to like it's a little wave that goes up and down. I used to swim all the way out to that little rope out there. I used to love that. I used to go all the way out to the ropes, Bubber. That's the fun spot to be. Let me try to go round up Miss Marley. Come on in. It's the surf doggies over there. Oh, look at that. It's the shack and it's got the little motorcycle front end and back end on it. That's awesome with the big surfboards on top. Come on down, Marley. Now you come back, walking back out when you hear that noise. Here it comes again. Watch, it comes out and you walk. Come here. There's Morgan. He's never seen one of these before. And here comes the water. And Marley's going crazy with the water again. I'm thinking Morgan might like this. You like it, Bubber? What? You like it? Yeah. You going back in, Bub? No. How come? Because why? Can't have the goggles on in there. Yeah, because they could fall off and probably somebody step on them and get hurt. You can still go in. You just stay up above. You want me to hold them? Lazy river. You want me to hold them for you? Yeah. All right, well, that's your wave pool, guys. All right, guys, we're out in the big wave pool, and here comes the big tidal wave. Well, it's probably going to hit me pretty hard, but we're going to see. Here it comes. Woo-hoo-hoo! Let's get a close to what it's looking like going in. Woo! That was crazy. Hopefully that came out good, we'll see. That's crazy. There's nobody here today. There's literally nobody here today. So if you guys coming on out, this is the best time to get out here. There's like nobody around here. Let's wait for the next one, see if we can catch another one. The water is incredible, and there's no lines for anything. I think the weather's actually getting a little better out here. It's crazy. So we'll try to get this out. We'll post some of this stuff out later on tonight if I get a chance, depending on how late we stay here tonight. But it's crazy. Yeah, this is how it should be all the time. But we're getting lucky today. We're gonna take advantage of it. So we'll see you in a while, guys. That's Tilly up on the hill there. You got the lifeguards on both sides as always. And this is like right in the middle of the park, so you can go all over the place, left and right. The rides, we started out on that direction over on the right where the lockers are, and then you just come right on around. And if you come here and you're bringing your cameras and stuff, we use the lockers and you can recharge them and stuff like that inside there because they're out of the sun, so it's not gonna melt your camera. And then we just worked our way all the way around the back. There's like a tunnel that comes out behind Tilly there. And here comes this monster tidal wave again, guys. All right.